Hey everyone, here she is, the 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium. It has an Old Man Emu 3-inch lift kit, BFG tires, the TRD Pro wheels, and a Prinsu roof rack. I just added this badass tent. It is the 4x4 Colorado Nimbus rooftop tent. It only took 6 short weeks to get here, and I am loving it. I'm gonna take you guys inside here in a sec. Golden hour, can't beat it. It is so quiet out here, peaceful. Taking you into the rear, kind of a different setup this year for me. I'm trying to keep everything as minimal as possible to make packing and cleaning up as easy as humanly possible. I'm running a Jackery. I think it's the 300. I got a nice drawer system this year. I'm not currently using it necessarily, just for the grill, but really simple pack for this trip. Running a small cheap table from Walmart or wherever. I think it was 50 bucks. I'm also running the small, I think it's called the Ranger solo stove. As you can tell, it is literally brand new. The wife and I got 2 of them for Christmas a couple years ago, and it's awesome. And it's perfect size. This trip we brought the 2022 Honda Grom. It has a DHM Stage 2 kit, high mount exhaust, run the Moscow Moto handlebar bag off my adventure bike. It's perfect for little trips, putting your wallet in there and all that good stuff. Taking you guys up into the tent. I'm running a super minimal setup this beautiful evening. 2 pillows, got to keep my head propped up. I got a Sea to Summit air pad I typically use on adventure trips on my Husqvarna Norden 901. Over here I got a 15-degree bag, Nemo bag, camp blanket. Keep things super easy, super minimal. You only need so much stuff. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about the setup, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. And if you guys have any other content requests of anything I'm running here, also let me know, as I'll make some content just for you. But stay tuned for more adventure content, 4Runner content, dirt bike content, and Grom content. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a lovely day. Chat soon. Peace.